Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a pot of chai using the slow cooker mode on my Ninja Foodi. This is a convenient way to make chai when guests are coming over so you can actually begin the process before they arrive, and by the time you've had dinner, the chai is ready to serve with dessert.
So let's get started with my chai recipe.
I have 5 teaspoons of loose leaf tea. I'm using the Danedar brand. 6 to 8 1-inch slivers of fresh ginger, 8 green cardamom pods, and 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, and your sweetener of choice. I have honey here. We also need 4 cups water, 3.5 cups milk, and half a cup of 10% half and half cream. Combine all of your ingredients into the pot. Give it a quick stir. Close the lid. Ensure your valve is set to vent, not seal. We're going to switch to our slow cooker mode here, and I'm going to leave it on high, and I'm cooking for 4 hours, but you can do on low for 8 or 10 hours. Just depends on how early you decide to make the chai. A little over 2 hours has passed, and I just want to peek in on how it's looking. You can see the skin is forming on top, which means that the chai is simmering away and all those flavors are cooking together. Fast forwarding to 4 hours, I strained the chai out into a jug, and now I'm actually moving it into my thermos just for ease, but you can leave it in the cooker if you'd like to. And keep in mind with slow cooking, the catch tray also catches a lot of water, so ensure that you empty this out. That's it, our chai is ready. I'm pouring myself a nice big mug right now. This will yield about 5 to 6 cups, just depending on the size of your cups. I'm using honey as my sweetener of choice, and I have waited 4 hours to devour this, so I'm going to be sitting down, enjoying my winter evening, and sipping on my amazing masala chai. Thank you guys all for watching. If you enjoy my recipes, please do subscribe. Consider sharing, commenting, and liking, and I will see you guys all next time.